motivational equation, innovative novel equation, which can tell us lot beyond what exactly is the Einstein equation mean for. As we know that Einstein's equation is equal to mc square, and we also write it as E is proportional to c square. In Einstein's equation, m is mass and c is the velocity of light. Let us think in innovative manner. Let us think differently. That is, let us write E as, E is normally represented as energy in case of Einstein's equation. Let us write E as excellence. Excellence. M is the mass in case of original Einstein's equation. Here M is motivation. Let M be expressed as motivation. And C, which is most important in this equation as the novel part, C is the velocity of light in Einstein's equation. Let us revisit this equation by converting and taking equivalent term of C as the commitment. Very, very important term. Commitment. Commitment. Now, as we can see that E is proportional to C square. More is the C, more is the excellence. Normally, the amount of motivation, it normally remains same. Suppose there is a class size is 60 students, same teacher is teaching and the same training program under which they are undergoing. So the amount of motivation normally remains same for a particular set of students or set of candidates. What makes all the candidates different is always commitment. And how? Let us understand by suitable example. For example, I take C as 1 upon 2. What will be E? E will be proportional to 1 upon 4 times, it is depending on M. But if you substitute M as 1, E will become 1 upon 4. Let us consider C as 2, E becomes 4. And the most important significance of this equation is C is commitment. Suppose there are two students or two candidates, A and B, and A is doing that work half-heartedly. His commitment is half. No doubt his excellence will be 1 upon 4. Means as you go on reducing the commitment, as you are having less and less commitment, you are not committed towards a particular work, your excellence will be badly affected. Let us consider another case where student B has the larger commitment value. He is doubly committed or even more committed as compared to candidate A. Then no one can stop this candidate B in excelling more in comparison with A. So the importance or the significance of this equation is more is the commitment, more is the excellence. And I can tell you that this applies to all the fields. It applies to all. It applies to students, it applies to employee, it applies to productivity, it applies to everything. More is the commitment, more will be the excellence. And as I believe that is success is always is the intermediate stage, and excellence is always the journey. And in that journey, commitment plays very important role. So with a positive attitude, if you are committed towards your goal, no one can stop you in achieving the excellence one day in your life. Thank you.